इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really delicious and classic recipe of hot chocolate. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of classic hot chocolate. Milk 3/4 liter, brown sugar 2 tablespoons, vanilla essence few drops. I have 200 grams of dark chocolate, from which I am going to use only 100 grams of chocolate. Now firstly I am chopping the chocolate. And here is 100 grams of chopped chocolate. After this, take milk in a pan, then add brown sugar and 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Then mix it, and when bubbles start appearing in the milk, add chopped dark chocolate. Mix it and let chocolate completely melt in milk. Hot chocolate is ready to serve, so I am pouring it in 2 mugs. Garnishing it with few marshmallows and serving some marshmallows and sprinkling chocolate over it, and it's ready to drink. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.